Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ford Flex door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, often found in the armrest or door pull. Next, gently use your trim tool to pry off any decorative trim pieces that might be covering additional fasteners. Take your time to avoid scratching the plastic or damaging the clips. Once the initial fasteners are out, you'll need to disconnect the electrical components. Carefully unclip the wiring harness for the window switch assembly. Then, detach the door handle cable. This usually involves rotating a small plastic clip and sliding the cable out. Double-check that all other wiring harnesses, like those for the door lock or mirror controls, are completely unclipped from the panel. This prevents accidental damage when the panel is removed. With all screws and electrical connections handled, you can now remove the main door panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use your trim tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame, releasing the plastic clips. Work your way around the entire perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the window channel. Be sure to store it in a safe place where it won't get scratched or bent. To reinstall, reverse the steps. First, carefully align the door panel clips with their slots on the door frame and firmly press the panel into place. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable, ensuring they click securely. Replace all screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.